Welcome to the Jumble tool, the online application for structural analysis of data. In this video, we will show you how the Jumble tool can be used to analyze JSON data. Please check our previous videos on how to sign up to the Jumble tool, start a project, and upload a file. After loading data to the tool, the digest reflects mostly the packaging used by the particular format. In the case of the JSON, the primary structure is a hierarchy of arrays and objects with attached primitive data such as strings and numbers. Our goal is to process the data into a domain structure shown here. In our case, the JSON contains search params and an array of objects with via ferrata details. The search params have properties difficulty, location, and year. Each via ferrata has properties difficulty, name, URL, X, and Y. So how do we extract the domain structure? First, we can convert the values into properties. We can do this because all values are linked from objects. This means that each value has its key and the keys are unique in the scope of the object. We select properties key and value and convert the pair to a new property. There are 7 kinds of keys, hence 7 new properties are created. Now we can select the new properties and copy them to the parent objects. Once this is finished, the concept value is no longer needed and can be deleted. Now, we would like to tell apart different types of objects. In the data, we can see there is the top object, the one object here, and a whole series of objects here. We can also see that some objects have the key property. Unfortunately, this property is missing in all objects in the array. We can propagate the key from the array to all its child objects. Now, each object has its key. The properties in the array are no longer needed and can be removed. The value of the key property in the object can be used as a label. This is a crucial step. It splits the general object category into 3 new subcategories. We have the JSON, search params, and via ferrata concepts. The original properties of the object are not needed anymore, so we can delete them. Likewise, the object label can be removed. This can be done by editing away the label. Please note, if we delete the object concept, all object nodes would be deleted too. And here it is. The data from the JSON was consolidated into a minimal form, ready for export or further processing. The search params are separated from the other structures. The via ferrata details are all in one place with clearly defined properties. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions or comments.